Once upon a time, in a small village nestled amidst lush green mountains, there lived a wise Zen master named Ryo. People from far and wide would seek his guidance, hoping to find inner peace and enlightenment. Ryo was known for his serene presence and his ability to help others embrace the present moment. One day, a young man named Takeshi arrived at the village. Takeshi was burdened with worries and anxieties. He had been constantly dwelling on his past mistakes and worrying about an uncertain future. Seeking solace, he heard of the renowned Zen master and decided to visit him. Takeshi walked along the winding paths, surrounded by tall trees and the gentle whispers of the wind. Finally, he arrived at the Zen master's humble abode. The entrance was adorned with a simple wooden gate, and a small stone pathway led to the main hall. Takeshi took a deep breath, gathered his thoughts, and entered the peaceful sanctuary. Inside, he found the Zen master sitting quietly on a cushion, his eyes closed in deep meditation. Takeshi approached him with reverence and bowed respectfully. Ryo opened his eyes, his calm gaze meeting Takeshi's troubled eyes. "Greetings, young traveler. I sense a heaviness in your heart. What brings you here today?" Ryo asked, his voice gentle yet filled with wisdom. Takeshi poured out his worries and troubles, expressing how he was constantly haunted by his past and consumed by his fears of the future. Ryo listened attentively, his serene countenance radiating compassion. "My dear Takeshi, you are carrying a heavy burden that no longer exists. The past is like footprints in the sand, and the future is but a mirage. The only moment that truly matters is this present one," Ryo said, his words sinking deep into Takeshi's soul. Curious, Takeshi asked, "But how do I embrace the present moment? How do I find peace amidst the chaos of life?" Ryo smiled, his eyes sparkling with ancient wisdom. "Let me share with you a story," he said. "There was once a master potter who created beautiful ceramic art. His hands would mold and shape the clay with precision, creating exquisite pieces that were admired by all. When asked about the secret to his craft, he replied, 'I am fully present in every movement, every touch, and every breath. When I am at the potter's wheel, my mind is focused solely on the clay. I let go of the past and future, immersing myself completely in the present moment.'" Takeshi pondered over the story, contemplating its deeper meaning. Ryo continued, "Embracing the present moment is an art, much like the potter shaping clay. It requires your undivided attention and surrendering to what is. The past has already passed, and the future is yet to come. The only reality is the here and now." "But how can I practice this art?" Takeshi asked eagerly. "Start by cultivating awareness," Ryo advised. "Observe your thoughts, emotions, and sensations without judgment. Become a witness to your own experiences, letting them come and go like passing clouds. Notice the sensations of your breath, the gentle rise and fall of your chest. As your attention rests in the present, the mind becomes still, and you begin to experience the peace that resides within you." Takeshi nodded, feeling a glimmer of hope. He spent the next few days under Ryo's guidance, practicing mindfulness and embracing the present moment. Slowly, he began to feel a sense of ease within himself.